Hey, family, I hope all is well with you today. This word is about surrendering and knowing that you're not on your own, and God doesn't want you to keep leading yourself off of your own understanding when it comes to His word, when it comes to your confirmations and stuff like that, okay? So the Bible verse is Jeremiah 10:23 through 24. I know, Lord, that our lives are not our own. We are not able to plan our own course. So correct me, Lord, but please be gentle. Do not correct me in anger, for I would die. Jeremiah, a prophet of God, was called to reveal the sins of the Israelites and warn them of coming judgment, right? His pleas were ignored, and the consequences fell from the Babylonians destroyed Jerusalem. So the consequences from their own understandings destroyed it. Prior to the catastrophe, Jeremiah made one of the most profound statements in the scriptures. The Israelites insisted on following the lead of the idolatrous nations around them doing things their own way. They seemingly forgot they were God's chosen people and that God had lovingly directed their steps. In their independence, they fell into sin and lost the promised presence of God. This is why it's important to pray over those steps that you are going to take next week, tomorrow, tonight, whenever it may be. You need to pray over every decision. You need to pray over everything that you do. Every new person that you want to get involved with, you need to pray. And watch something turn around before you go hang out with that person or those people or go to this place. I wonder how many times we forget whose we are and begin to think we can plan our own course in life. Perhaps we are not happy with God's direction and are resisting the road He has asked us to walk. Pray with Jeremiah today if you need to. Correct me, Lord, but please be gentle. Do not correct me in anger, for I will die. I repent of my independence and once again surrender to your direction. So, again, I would say that God does not want you to be too independent. Yes, you want to become this boss. Yes, you are a boss. And yes, so many people have betrayed you. God doesn't want you to run back to these people or places things that have brought harm to you, destroyed you some way mentally, physically, emotionally, whatever it may be. He doesn't want you to go back to that thinking process. He doesn't want you to get back to a point where your nerves are being messed with in some ways, okay? He wants you to pray for better understanding so you can understand Him, all right? So I pray that this word has blessed you, and I pray that whatever it is you are seeking on your own understanding, that you allow God to go before that understanding and bring the correct understanding that you need, all right? God bless you.